All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Excited today. Look at this. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see it. Over here in South Pasadena, San Marino, Pasadena area. If you ever get a chance, come over and look at these beautiful homes. This is the original 1924. Should be a historic home, but they haven't put it on the registry. But just beautiful, just beautiful. Got the old original plank flooring. And you see this is all wore out. Got some marks here. You just really can't even tell what you got. A couple hours from now, this is going to be brand new. Brand new. The original wood is going to just, here you can kind of see that it's the beautiful oak. So we'll get back to that. Stay tuned.